Okay, well, this is my Hoover model 700. It's really old. I don't use it very often because I don't know, it's a little worn. It's really worn out. It's not in the best shape. It's got some scratches there. It's got a really long cord. There's no cuts, or a really short cord. There's no cuts in the cord, but its only problem with the cord is that it's taped here. It does work, and it has a headlight, but the headlight doesn't work. It has a bulb in it, I think. It has a belt and everything works. It doesn't have a bumper on it, though. The bumper is missing. But it's got height adjustment there. Cloth bag, shake out. You gotta take those little nuts off, take the bag off. But and then I don't know. I've looked this up on the internet, and model 700, and there's no. I found a 700, but the bag on the model 700 that I found is blue, and this one's brown, but it does say the model 700 there, and it says the model 700 there. So, and it says something up here, but it says previous model reconstructed at the Hoover factory, right there. I don't know if you can read that or not, but it says previous model reconstructed at the Hoover factory, which I don't really know what that means. If anyone could tell me. It was made in the North Canton, Ohio plant. That's what it says right there. If anyone can tell me anything about this vacuum, I'd be very appreciative. It has a metal brush hole. Oh, hold on. Flashlight. I don't have a flashlight. No. It has a metal brush hole. Here. I don't know if you can see that or not. And now you can see that. It says the Hoover makes rugs last longer. And it says this is metal. The whole thing's metal. This is really thin metal, but this is cast, and the whole thing's really heavy. It's got plastic wheels here and here, and it's got the fan there. I think the fan does have a little break in it, though. There is a little chip in the fan, but the fan's cast, or pot metal, so there's a chip there. I don't know if you can see that. There's a chip in one of the blades, and I think there's a couple chips in the fan, but it's over, and it's really old, so I don't expect it to be in the best shape. But it's got these beaters here on the brush here, and brushes are pretty soft nowadays. Anyway, it's been used with the belt's on there, and it's in pretty good shape. I haven't turned this on in a long time, so and it's got the remnants of the bumper here and here, and then that's the height adjustment thing here. And see, it says stuff here. Makes rugs last longer. This says Hoover there. There's a model number there. I don't think you can read it, but it says it says model 700, then the serial number is 7500429. It's got a little tear in the bag here, and it's missing a little nut here. You can see it's got this nut thing here with the screw, and it's got a screw in the middle, and that's how you take the bag off, and this slips off. Like this, you loosen that one, you loosen this one, and the whole thing. The whole thing slides off. See, the bag's got dirt in it still. I found this vacuum in a dumpster. when I was very young, I lived in an apartment complex, and there was always vacuums and trash there. And when I was really young, I had about 20 vacuums at one time. And this one, I saw it, and I saw the handle of it out of the dumpster was buried, and I couldn't pull it out. I was too young. I thought it was just like an 80s model metal hood vacuum or something. And turns out that it was this. Well, we can turn it on and give it a little vacuum, and there's a little bit of dust there. Bag, I don't use it very much because it's old and worn. As you hear, something in there is hitting. I don't really know what that means, what that is, but I don't use it, so. Alright, well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.